Hi, I'm Dave Pippin. Welcome back to my channel, FBTV Entertainment, with this another video of review of another model kit, AMT 125 scale. I do believe this is a really rare model kit that I found on eBay. Cost me about £35 brand new, and here it is. It's not so bad model kit. Got a bit of flash on for bodywork, but you just have to trim it down a bit with a sharp carpet knife blade, and that. But apart from that, it's quite a good bargain, and this is a part of my Ford collection of 1950s and till 1940s as well. I'm going to show you the car now. Before I do that, I'm going to say I got a trailer coming out soon about uploads videos on every Friday. Keep a sharp lookout for my trailer about that, and also a couple weeks time or couple days time, I'll be doing a review myself to you guys, to talk about my channel and get to know me, and I'll get to know you. So no further ado, let's get my car out and show you. Until then, I shall see you in a bit. Yes, yellow and grey, and she's on the grey gravel. It's not actually a gravel, it's actually my hoodie. So let me talk about for body, how you fit the chassis into the body itself. It was a tight squeeze, but it went okay. Like I said earlier, got loads of flash on the bodywork. You have to get a standing knife or a carpet knife, like this one, and just sharpen it like that. That's all you need to do. But apart from that, let's have a look at it. So we're going to start at the front of the car, as always. It's my favourite part of the car. Lovely chrome bumper, and also the grille, nice and shiny. These little protectors of a bumper is separate fitted. You have to glue it onto the bumper, so that's quite strange. Or you don't have to glue it to a bumper, you just have it just like one strip, and that. The indicators are orange for a change. Always paint them yellow for American cars, because they're always silver or white lenses, I mean for glass, and that. The headlights is alright, I paint them white. I didn't bother with silver because it won't stand out with the grey paint bodywork. A Ford logo, I don't know if it's a proper Ford logo, it's from my other last review of 1953 Victoria hardtop, my blue one, what I showed you previously on my channel, FBTV Entertainment, as part of a decal. So if you haven't seen that one, then please go down to my channel, FBTV Entertainment. A lovely chrome badge logo to lift up the hood of the car. Absolutely amazing feature there. Lovely silver strip line along for bodywork. And that. The wheels, I was disappointed about the wheels. They're very hard to fit in and they're very hard to glue. I can't remember if I put glue in. I just pushed them in. So that's the interior, grey and yellow. You can see the black dots where the speed dials are, there where my finger is, next to the steering wheel. I've done the steering wheel with yellow. The seats are yellow and grey as well to to fit interior. The other side door panels, forgot to paint the window winders up, and even the door, they are separate fitted. You have to fit them in and glue them. So something like my orange and black car, Chevrolet Imperial 1958. I've done a few details on the door handle, for a lock, a badge logo, and that. And here's the back of a car. Nothing much. Same fitted protectors there on the bumper. Like I said, out of front of a car, you can take them off or you can keep it as that. The headlights is absolutely lovely. For tail lights, I should say, they are quite nice, and for orange indicators as well. Lovely trunk badge logo, and also for number plate California NYJ725. You can see right down where the front is, absolutely, the back of the seats, absolutely amazing. We're going to go down the other side of the car now. Hopefully you can see a dashboard, round black dots for indicate, for speed dials. Problem with this kit, it didn't have no decals, only a few selection of number plates, and that. So I was disappointed about that. And there's another wheel arch. Engine looks alright. Not much of a parts in this model kit of his engine, and that. So yeah, it's absolutely amazing. Before I end this video, I'm going to show you the bottom of a car. There, don't nice and brown. It's actually brown, but on the camera on my iPad, it's actually dark reddish, but it's actually purplish reddish colour. And there it is, guys. 1956 Victoria hardtop. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, press the like button or comment down below. The next video coming out soon on Friday, or sometime tonight maybe. It's this one, a Ford 57 one. That will be our next video coming out soon. So until then, you take care of yourself, and we shall see you very soon on FBTV Entertainment. I'm Dave Pippin.